Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a few combined Temu hauls. Now, I haven't really been shopping much on Temu this past year, but I did pick up a few things, and you know, sometimes they run those deals where if you spend so much money, you can get some items for free. So that's kind of how all of this came about. And I actually do have a few more free things coming in the mail, but they're not here yet. And I had spent some time cleaning up my craft room over the last few days, and so I just combined everything that I have recently gotten from Temu. When I say recently, I mean for the last few months. It wasn't just like the last couple weeks, okay? And put it all together, and I'm going to show you what I got. So I don't have the prices of this because, like I said, it is from the last couple months. But if there's something that you're interested in, drop me a comment down below. Let me know which one item you're interested in, and I will get you that link. So without further ado, let's just jump in. Of course, you know I am a beadaholic. Therefore, we have beads aplenty, so we're going to share a few of those. I have a little dish here I'm going to be putting some things in. Now, I did buy these for some Christmas crafting, but they were in the bags and I didn't get to them, so yeah, little sad that I didn't use any of these, but you know, you can use these colors all year long, but look how pretty those are. Really, really pretty. And these already come with the, let's see here. They come with a little, I don't know what your spacer on the top, and it's got the little loop on there already. So you don't even have to wire wrap these. So those are really cute. And this is actually 2 packs of beads. I put them in together. There are, well, one pack had 50 in it, and the other pack had, oh, I don't know, maybe 25. And so I just mixed them all in together. So that's one pack of beads. Then you can see I picked up a variety of colors of this size bead. These are 15 pieces each, and I'm going to say there's probably a 12 or a 16 millimeter. So let me just get this open here. I've got these pretty purple ones, and these are pearlized or pearlescent. So those are super pretty. We've got purple. And here are some green. Really, really gorgeous. I love green. We've got yellow here. Imagine the fun projects for these. Beautiful yellow, and these have gigantic holes in them. So perfect for your beadable projects. And then this one is a pretty light blue. So pretty. Love those colors. And let's see, this last pearlized one here is a pretty pink. So we've got colors for all different occasions. Oh, wait, no, I got one more here too. This one is like a, I don't know, a medium-sized pink, a medium color pink maybe. Look at how gorgeous those are. So pretty. So yeah, that's those. And then I picked up a pack of these white beads with blue and red stars on them. So I figured I would get some things together for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day. So those are really pretty. I'm going to dump those in the bowl there just because they're gorgeous. Okay. And then I got these. And I use a lot of these, so these are actually sparkly inside. I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but they're also like AB. So those are really pretty. One more stuck down in there. And you know, I am a terrible beadaholic, so they catch me. Okay, so there's 40 pieces, and these are 10 millimeter. And then here are some similar beads, and these are 35 pieces, and these are a little bit bigger. What did I say these were size-wise? These were 10, so these must be 12. Really, really pretty. And you see you got pink and blue in there, and there's some clear or white in there as well. And, oh, looks like maybe I got 2 packs of those. Yeah, same ones. Really, really pretty. I'll just put those aside. Okay. And then I got these, and I am disappointed in this. This is a pack of silver, clear, black, and white beads. You get 100 in here, and these look like they might be, I'm going to say a 6mm. Maybe they look better when they're out of the bag. Yeah, I guess they do. Yeah, they're kind of pretty. They are AB as well. So maybe I like them better now that they're out of the bag. These plastic bags are so dull looking. And then I picked up a pack of these little cabochons, and these look like little cupcakes or ice creams, and then they have a little heart on there. So those are adorable. And I think I saw Leanna haul these, so that's probably why I picked these up. Shame on you, Leanna, for enticing me to spend money. Okay. Then I picked up a pack of these cute little charms, and these are great for dangles. Two-sided. Bunch of little snowmen there, and let's see, you get 3, 4, it's like 10 in a pack, and they came in this nice little case. And then I picked up 2 packages of these really pretty, I don't know, they're like teeny tiny gemmies. Let me get a little dish. Maybe we can see them better. Very, very glittery. I thought they'd be good for adding to sequin mixes. I'll just put a few out. Can you see how beautiful those are? So sparkly. So that's that. So that's it pretty much for the beads and the cabochons. Let me put those aside. And then I picked up a pack of eye pins for my bead wrapping, and this is a small pack here. Probably, I'm going to guess there might be 50, and they're probably 50mm long. So put that aside. Oh, I got some more little charms here too. These are little ghosties, and they were probably on sale out of season. That's probably why I picked them up. These are adorable, and they too are two-sided. Look at the cute little pumpkin there, and that's got the pink bow in her hair. And I'm going to guess there's 10 in this pack as well. And then I picked up a few charms. Now, these are kind of like cherries. So this one is gold with crystals or gemmy. You got a green leaf and the little red cherries. And then right here, it's got like a little diamond kind of a accent on there. So those are really pretty. And then I got these cherries. They're a little bit, oh, wait a minute. Maybe these are the same. Are they the same? Yeah, I guess they are. So I must have gotten 2 packs of those. Okay, so I'll just dump those together. And then I picked up these, and these are like heart cherries with the diamond-like gems in them. So those are super pretty. Perfect for Valentine's Day and your summer crafting, as well as these cherries here. Gotta love me some charms. And then this combined haul just has a few dies. I've got this cute one here. This is Christmas candy, or you can make balloons or lollipops, popsicles. You even have this here for some sprinkles if you want to make sprinkles. And then there's this cute little snowman one. I thought that was adorable for some card making. And then I've got this card front. Really, really pretty. I wish I would have gotten a chance to use this during this past Christmas season. And then I picked up this, I think this is an award ribbon. And in a swap I received from Leanna in 2024 it was, she gifted me an award ribbon, and I reused it in 2025 as part of a swap I was in. And I don't know if this is the same set, but if it's not, it's very, very similar. And when I saw it, I said, you know, I'm going to pick that up. I think that would be great to have in my stash. So those are the dies I got. And then I picked up this stackable set of craft holders. So you can put your little gems and things inside of there. Sequin mixes and whatnot. So I thought that was pretty handy. And let me see how many you get here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a pack. So I thought that was great. And you know what else? I actually think what they were selling these for is to store your ink daubers, the domed ink daubers. I think that's what they were selling these for. And I may use it for that, but most likely I will put sequins or little gems and things in there. And then I picked up 2 embossing folders. So I thought this one was really, really pretty with the quilted design on it. Very nice. And I don't know what I paid for it, but I'm sure it wasn't very expensive. And then I got this one here that's got the Valentine envelopes all over it. So that should be good if I get a chance to make some Valentine cards. And by the way, I did join a Valentine card swap hosted by Marie Reyes and Kim from Kim's Inspired Life. Maybe I'll get a chance to use that for that card challenge. And I picked up a package of these super cute pastel puff balls in these pretty pastel colors. Really, really cute. And it is a huge bag. And let me see, you get in this bag, does it say 100 pieces? And these are wool balls. Super, super cute. Very nice. And now here's an interesting find. And I picked these up because I was watching Soleil, and she was using something similar to this in some crafty projects a couple of months ago. So I actually have had these sitting in my craft room for a while. So let me show you which ones of these little envelope things I picked up. These are all like iridescent, or they'll have patterns on them. This one is iridescent. And these are 2 pockets, and it measures, looks like, let's see, is that 8 inches? 7.5 by 5.5. So you can put photos in there, but what I thought I would use them for is like, I'm going to use my fuse tool and make little shakers out of these, or even if I want to, cut these apart and use them for windows in your, oh, what do you call them? Shakers and things like that. Okay, so that's that. And these, you get 10 in a pack. Okay, so that's that size. Then I picked up this one, which is the same iridescent, but it is 4 pouches. And these are great for using for your pocket letters, although this would be more like a mini pocket letter. And these are really cool. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This is iridescent, but it also has some holographic circles on it. I hope you can see that there. It's really, maybe if I put it down. Nope, nope. How about here? You can kind of see it there. Really, really pretty. So this is 4 pockets. And this is also a 4 pocket, but this one has the iridescent and the holographic stars on it. And 4 pockets there. Really cute. Much cuter in person, and here is the same design, but this is a 2-pocket page here. I know it's hard to see. Oh, there, you can probably see it there. Really, really cute. And the last one I picked up is this one with the hearts on it. Obviously, I've grabbed these up for Valentine's Day. Very cute. Okay, so let's move on. Just a few more things left. And I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this, because I do not do a Temu haul very often. Okay, so one thing I've been finding is a great deal on cards and postcards on Temu. And I have been using postcards to send out probably the last couple of months. I think I did it for the fall, not Thanksgiving, but fall, Halloween, and Christmas. And so they're more economical to mail out postcards than to mail out actual cards. But I did find a great deal on these Valentine cards here. And there are a couple of different styles in here. You get the craft kind of envelopes. So all together in the pack, there are 12 cards? Yeah, so 24 pieces altogether. All right, so we have these cute little mason jars with the candies in them. And by the way, this is really good cardstock. Here we've got a bouquet of candies and hearts. This is really cute with the books and the letters. So who knows, you might be the recipient of one of these cards come Valentine's Day. Look at this adorable bunny. And then we've got teddy bears with hearts, so cute. And we've got this little angel here with the hearts and the flowers. So those are some Valentine cards I picked up. And then, let me see, do I have more Valentine here? Actually, these are Easter postcards. And this pack, you get 32 pieces. So I got these for Easter. And let me get this little belly band off. Very cute. Look at the bunnies. So adorable. This one looks like Peter Rabbit, and back on the back it looks like the postcard. And these do mail well. I've been using them different, like I said, for Halloween, fall, and Christmas, and people were getting my postcards, so that was really fun. Look at this adorable bunny. Cute, cute, cute. Love this one with the colorful eggs on the bottom. This one has a bonnet in a basket. Adorable. Are these all different? So cute. Look at the dress on that one. And you can cut these up, use them for ephemera, add them to cards if you don't want to use them as a postcard. Well, look at this one. She's painting eggs. These are so cute, don't you think? Mr. Bunny there with his basket. Look at this one. Oh, adorable. Little baby bunny. So you get the idea. So cute. So these will be going out at Easter time. Okay, and let's see, I've got one more pack here, and this retro Valentine Day theme cards, and it doesn't say how many are in the pack. These are blank on the back. You can add your own postcard information, but these are really pretty. Gorgeous designs. I love the vintage style of this. Very shabby chic. Oh, birds. Love them. Chocolates. Hearts and stamps. We've got teas and roses. Just adorable. Don't you think these are adorable? And like I said, so much more economical to mail out postcards than to actually mail out cards. So the only thing is everything you write, everybody can read. But you know, the Postal Service, they don't care what we write on our cards. They just want to get rid of them. So look at this one. Adorable. Very cute. And one more item in this haul, and then I am all done. This is actually a little pack of 6x6 Valentine paper. This also came from Temu. You get 12 designs, 2 sheets of each. So let's see what we have here. I don't know if these, oh, these are single-sided. Okay, so 2 of each design. We've got the conversation hearts. And I will try to get through these quickly because I know this has been a long video. Try not to take up that much time, but this is a combined haul. You got a lot of goodies in here. And like I said, if there's anything that I'm showing that you're interested in, drop me a note and I will be happy to give you the link. So cute. This one here has little champagne flutes on it. We've got some hearts on red. Look at these adorable teddy bears. So pretty. This is a nice collection, and the paper's not bad either. And this says love, 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 love all over it with little hearts. And the balloons. And the last one is some teddy bears. So that's what I have to share with you today. A super big combined Temu haul. Lots of goodies in every category that I am interested in. And thanks for sticking around. Like I said, I know this has been a long video and I appreciate you spending some time with me. If there's anything you're interested in, be sure to leave me a note down below. And actually, if you're interested, I'd love it if you drop in the comments your favorite item that I've shown. So I've got charms, I've got tons of beads, I had these beautiful gems. We've got dies and these little puff balls. We've got the paper and the cards, the postcards and the embossing folders and lots of other goodies. But anyway, thanks again for stopping by. Thanks for checking out this haul. And that's what I've got for you today. So I will catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.